All right, guys, welcome back to Texas Bred. Hey, we are pheasant hunting today. We came out to Rice Creek to some property of Uncle Cooter's buddy. He's allowing us to hunt here this week. So we're about to get through some of this corn and see if we can't scrape up some pheasants. We got Luna here, going to be our main source of
the lunatic
picking up birds today. Hopefully she does a great job because this stuff looks thick, and I haven't done this before. This is new to me. It's going to be very interesting.
My first time.
They say there's birds all in here, but just gonna have to see it for myself. I have not done it, but let's see how it goes. So what do we do here?
We'll all line up and we'll just walk down. Just this one? Who's taking that outside edge? W, come here. We can always hit the trees when we get back. The chances are we're gonna work this way and then zigzag through, and then the hayfield will be the last.
So just spread out.
For real though, don't shoot the truck.
Do you walk through this high stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, you can walk. You can walk out in the, you can walk outside.
What do you say?
Yeah, you can take the trail that he said was for girls.
I'm going in because I got the dog.
I'll step on the edge.
Where do you want me? Boy, I haven't pheasant hunted in Billy was 14. I bet you I haven't pheasant hunted in 10 years.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, put the bead on it.
I hadn't in 40.
Get it, Luna. Get it. Get some! Who shot? Everybody. Come on, Luna. Come on, girlie. Good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl. Good girl, good girl.
Got him. Oh, it's hauling.
Right next to me. You're right there in front of you?
Yeah.
Luna, heel.
Let 'em
Heel.
have it.
See him?
There's two. I want to shoot.
See it right there?
Dude.
He's going
There's
after
one
it.
shooting. Shoot.
Luna. Luna.
Oh, there's one coming across.
Yep, just saw that.
Coming across where?
Path.
Coming in.
If you see them,
Oh.
kill it. You see one, kill it.
She's fixing to run into him here.
Kill it.
I can't.
She's chasing him to the end.
What are you talking about?
He's about 15 yards in front of her.
You can hit it. Let him have it.
Yeah! Nice shooting! There goes another one! William!
Hey, there's some right here in front of us.
William, you loaded? Let's go!
I didn't shoot it, was Cooter.
Hey, which one?
Both.
Oh,
Luna, come! Get it! I guess why a dog can find it.
I just thought I could have just stuck the barrel up.
Alright guys, pheasant hunting, I realized there's a whole lot of walking. Go up and down, zig and zag in this big cornfield, waiting on the dog to spook them. Get them up. So far, we've been walking, I don't know, 30, maybe 45 minutes. We had one big rooster come up and we smoked him, but we're waiting on some other ones right now. Dog's working and he is trying to find them.
Hunt him up! Come on, bird! Hunt him up! Hunt him up! Come on, bird! Hunt him up! Go get him! Where is he?
There.
Come on, bird! Ah! Ah, that old boy! Get ready for the next bird!
There was another one in front of that one.
There's a rooster somewhere. somewhere.
Yeah, that she passed. It's right here.
William, come on. Oh, you can see it? Is that cool?
No, I did. I saw it before I shot that one.
Here we go. Bird down.
She took them both.
She probably will bring both back. William, you see how I took a knee? Yeah. Real quick. You know why? Because you were right there. Real easy for me to do this.
What I did that in.
Don't count on it.
She comes right in front of us. She doesn't have either bird. Oh, Jesus Christ. Go get the bird. Let him up. The other one she had right here.
Yeah. I watched her all the way till she turned left. She still had it in her mouth. Right here.
Where's the bird? That hen's got to be right there. Where's it? You got the hen?
Yep.
Where's the rooster? There? There he goes! Get him! Get him!
Ah, I'm out. I forgot to reload.
Help! Help! Bring her. Good girl. Good girl. Want to twist his head off?
There's a big deer print right here. And a gopher hole.
Good luck.
Get some! Oh! You're welcome for that. You are welcome. There we go.
Yeah.
He's in that pine tree. He landed weird.
There it is.
Luna, good job, baby.
Stretching his
Young-
neck out completely.
Young of the year rooster, huh? That's where we put some camera looking for. All right, man. We got some
That was
birds.
awesome there.
W, what do you think? Here comes that duck you've been waiting for.
It's your day.
Don't go shooting at it now. He's too far away. Girl.
Luna, come here. Luna,
Good
Luna,
girl.
Luna, come here. Good job, baby.
Like somebody had
When you do it right now, doing it right. You pay attention to the rest of your crew. When they stop walking, you stop walking. When they start walking, you start. Let them up, girl.
Oh, here we go. Right here. Walking back at it. They fix to come out.
William, big step forward. Call Luna over there. Be ready. Ready for another bird.
I'm shooting.
Oh!
Yes, you did, William. Yes, you did.
what the heck was that?
Safety?
No, it wasn't chambered.
Oh,
You
no.
handed me an empty gun.
No, you shot one before that.
That was me shooting.
That was. Oh.
That's why I handed you those bullets, Sean. And you said, I've got some. I said, okay. Oh, she got it. Good dog. Good dog.
That's a nice rooster for mountain as well. Look at that.
Put it in
Yeah,
my pouch.
love them colors.
Drop. Don't hang them if we might want them. Here, I'll throw them in one pouch.
Huh? I'm gonna snatch the tail.
Yeah, he's...
I think she's on it now.
Oh, you're welcome for that. You're welcome.
Good Lord.
I said sit down.
Oh,
Don't worry about that stuff, okay?
that was my runner.
Yeah, we got to it. Good boy. Here we go. W, what did I say about shooting them on the ground?
Sorry, she was trying to run.
Girl.
Good thing I shot it.
Girl. Good girl. Good girl.
That's mine.
Alright guys, we just got done. I think we ended up with somewhere right around 20, 19 or 20. And that was an absolute blast. I've never done that before. If you hadn't, you need to do it. That was something totally new for me. I have not scared birds up, and just especially beautiful big birds like these. But anyway, we're going to pile them all up, take a picture. We're going to go home. We're going to do a catch, clean, and cook on them. So I don't know exactly what we're doing. I haven't cooked pheasant, but Marie is a master chef, and she is going to cook these up for us. So I will get the recipe and show you guys. So we'll see you back at the house. It's starting to pour and we're getting out of here. Alright guys, so I went in and took a nap, and they cleaned the birds without me, so we didn't get that part, which YouTube doesn't like it anyway. So we just now got done cleaning the meat, deboning it, and we're going to do bacon wrap pheasant tonight. Basically we're going to put it on a bed of caramelized onions and barbecue sauce. So we stripped the meat down, took all the bone out, and we're going to wrap it with bacon. We're going to throw it on the grill, and then we're going to bring it back inside and put it on some onions. But I'm just going to show you what it looks like real quick, and then I'll show you the finished product and us trying it and making sure it's good. Uncle Cooter's girlfriend, Marie, is cooking for us this week, and she was just telling me, I was asking her what seasoning she puts on pheasant. She's like, I don't put any seasoning. It doesn't need it. The little bit of bacon grease and just the pheasant alone is good enough. It has plenty of flavor just like it is. And anyway, I thought that was pretty neat because I put season on everything. But we're going to cook it with no seasoning, bacon, and that's it. So we're wrapping them up now. We're going to get them on the grill, and we'll let you know what it tastes like.
Alright, so get these on here. How do we got it? We got it on the roll? Good.
How did you want me to put it on there? Good.
You're going to have to scrape that black off of those for him.
Probably.
Yeah.
That's the side that you have to put the cheese on so they can't see it.
Oh yeah, he covered it up with cheese. I didn't think,
Yeah,
you know.
you got kids too.
You're right. It's been a while since I had to do that. Okay, well, there's been a little twist in our plan for our food. She failed to tell me the best barbecue sauce in Minnesota is what we're eating this with. And she gave me this. She gave me the bottle, which she said she normally doesn't show. It's too good. She doesn't want everybody to know about it. But this is it right here. They make 3 different kinds. They make hot, mild, and regular. And she said on pheasant or basically any barbecue, it is unbelievable. The butcher just approved it, so it's gotta be
It's
good.
gotta be good.
It has to be.
It's gotta be good.
No, it actually tastes a lot like, very similar to Rudy's. Sissy sauce maybe, but it's has a little bit more heat to it. And for me, I would say it's not as sweet, which makes it better to me. I don't really like super sweet barbecue sauce. It's got that, it's almost that perfect flavor. But anyway, we're gonna pour it on this pheasant.
Hey, you're
We're gonna put it on this pheasant, and we're gonna eat it here in Minnesota. We're gonna put it on this.
Don't make us too dark. Too far to take.
So we're gonna put it on this pheasant. Try it out.
Now they're nice golden brown. We're gonna throw them on the bed of onions and let them cook until the onions are caramelized. We'll smother them with some of the barbecue sauce.
And they'll be ready.
Mm-hmm. Now they'll be ready. This one part's getting them all from in. One side hot.
So just cover it back up and put it on the heat.
Yep.
How long does that take normally?
Probably be about 20 minutes, half hour. Get her in there, let her cook. Hot?
There, yeah. They're a little warm. Straight off the grill. Oh man, that's good though. Very, very good. I haven't had a whole lot of pheasant. Matter of fact, the last time I had pheasant was here, last year. You get a chance to cook some pheasant, somebody sends you some pheasant, you need to try it this way. It's unbelievable. And check out that hot sauce, or that barbecue sauce also. What do you think, Sam?
Little Minnesota yard bird with a little bacon wrap. Yeah. When you put this, these little tiny onion medallions on them, barbecue sauce lights out. Lights out. Very good.
That's our catch, clean, and cook. Bacon wrapped pheasant with caramelized onions and some potatoes on the side. Anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll be back at it again tomorrow.